Excellent for all cosmetics and makeup types. 32 brushes ideal for creams, powders, or liquids to do any type of cosmetic application, from amateur to expert. There are many products available to choose from in makeup brush sets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1. Nire Beauty Professional Makeup Brush Set. The prestigious Nire Beauty Professional Makeup Brush Set includes high-end beauty supplies needed for expertly mixing your makeup. This set includes 12 professional cosmetic brushes, a pro brush holder, a brush cleaner, and a blender sponge, for a total of 15 pieces. Your skin will be gently scrubbed by these hypoallergenic bristles. These are 100% vegan and cruelty-free, produced from recycled materials. The LuxePro synthetic fibers used to construct the bristles ensure that they will never soak up or absorb your makeup. Their PureForm cosmetic brush cleaner makes it simple to clean them, preserving their quality for many years. These environmentally friendly brushes have carefully made wooden handles that are non-slippery and comfortable to grasp. Number 2. Solve Professional Makeup Brush Set. Excellent for all cosmetics and makeup types. 32 brushes ideal for creams, powders, or liquids to do any type of cosmetic application, from amateur to expert. Excellent grade, fluffy, high density, soft but stiff bristles that can retain makeup. Nothing shed. Exceptional touch and feel are provided by premium synthetic fiber materials. Wood handle. Sturdy wooden handles and ferrules guarantee the brush's longevity and comfortable grip. Multi-purpose brush set. All brush kinds are included, making it simple and practical to use every day for applying, blending, and shading products. Black is a timeless color in classic design. Because they are composed of sturdy, high-quality materials, the beauty brush set will not easily be broken and will feel luxurious. Number 3. BS Mall Makeup Brush Set 18 PCS. Including 18 different brushes for brows, blush, foundation, pressed or loose powders, eyeshadow, crease shadow, concealer, and highlighter. Ideal for using products for application, blending, and shading. Simple and practical for daily makeup use. Cosmetic brush handles are constructed from premium aluminum and wood materials. The bristles are produced with high quality, smooth, silky nylon that guarantees long-lasting use. Even the most delicate skin can be used with fine, dense brushes. The 18-piece beauty brush set is a must-have in your cosmetic bag because it is stylish and trendy and comes in the most fashionable and attractive champagne gold shade. The cosmetic brush kit is made with beginners and makeup enthusiasts in mind. It is simple to use, superior in quality, and reasonably priced. It also comes with a full assortment that enables you to retain your makeup. Great present for mothers, wives, and female friends. Number 4. Start Maker's Makeup Brushes Set. 7 face beauty brushes and 5 eye makeup brushes are included in the professional makeup brush set, which has a lovely marble texture. It boasts two-tone, silky synthetic fiber bristles that feel opulent and smooth against the skin. The bristles' delicate form delivers good coverage while making application simple. All of the brushes have a PVC handle with a white marble pattern, making them strong and long-lasting. These handles are made to be pleasant and simple to carry by designing them around the grip of the human palm. A lightweight marble-patterned brush bag is included with this makeup set. It has all the necessary brushes that makeup artists need and is completely functioning. Number 5. Yawaka Premium Kabuki Makeup Brush Set. Comes with 9 precise eye makeup brushes and 5 basic large Kabuki makeup brushes. All of your makeup requirements may be met by this 14-piece brush set. This beauty brush set is constructed of a dark brown brush, a matte black hardwood handle, and rose gold metal accents. It appears classy and adorable, appropriate for both girls and ladies. High density, bushy, high quality, non-irritating synthetic hair that is perfect for applying, blending, and shadowing. Concern yourself less with the shedding issue. Our cosmetic brush set is pleasant, suited for even the most delicate skin, and has a fine texture and smooth touch. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.